Okay, so this California Cobb burger is so easy. So once you have cooked up your burger, the rest is like a piece of cake. The egg just takes a second to make. I like to do this on a bed of leafy greens so it feels like I had like a full salad. So then we're just gonna put the burger right on there, top it with an egg. This looks so good. And then throw some bacon on top. This is when keto is awesome. And then we're gonna top it with a little bit of avocado, depending on your needs. It'll be about, for women, it'll be about a couple ounces like that. You might need a little more if you have higher caloric needs. I'm just going for it with my hands, apparently. And then you're gonna top with just a little bit of blue cheese. So some blue cheese crumbles, just like a Cobb salad. There you go. And that's it, and you just cut it up and enjoy it, and it is fatty and keto and delicious.